Welcome to the Gasmate Odyssey 3-burner barbecue assembly video. For this assembly you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and 2 adjustable spanners. Once you have unpacked everything, lay it out and make sure everything is there. Loosen the pre-installed screws on the legs before attaching the base. Once you have all of the legs attached, you want to attach the feet of the 2 legs using the self-tapping screws provided. Attach your front panel to the legs using the screws provided. Next is your accessory hook panel. Loosen the pre-installed screws on the legs and then slot the panel into place and tighten the screws. Repeat the process with the rear panel. When inserting the side panels, you have to loosen the screws slightly and slot the side panels into place. Repeat the same process on the other side. Insert your axle through the holes in the legs. Place your wheels onto the axle. With a small adjustable spanner, hold the axle in place and use the other spanner to tighten the nuts on each wheel. Install your hubcaps on the wheels. Attach the handle to the lid of the barbecue. The hood pins are now pre-installed on the barbecue. Attach the fat tray support to the base of the unit. You can now insert the barbecue onto the trolley by lining up the guides on the barbecue with the holes on the barbecue trolley. Secure the body to the trolley using the screws provided and place rubber covers onto the holes. Secure the front accessory panel onto the barbecue body using the screws provided. This is right up and under the barbecue body. Attach the heat shield to the barbecue trolley using the small nut and screw provided. Insert the side shelves onto the pre-installed screws on the mounting bracket and install the second screw into the mounting bracket. Repeat the process on the other side. Push your control knobs onto each one of the gas valves, making sure they are in the upright position then turned off. Remove the backing nut from the temperature gauge and insert the temperature gauge into the hole of the hood of the barbecue. Reinstall the backing nut. Insert the hot plate, grill plate and lastly your wok plate using the guides provided. Slide your drip tray into the holder, cover any existing holes in the legs with the plugs provided, attach your gas hose and tighten with adjustable spinner, making sure to do a leak test on the connection as per our leak test video. This process can also be repeated on the Odyssey 2-burner barbecue as well.